If you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So today's video is going to be about somebody I love very much and somebody that has inspired a lot of us. And his name is Adekunle Gold. So recently, Adekunle Gold released a new song called Ire, and like the title of my video says Ire inspired. So Adekunle Gold has been somebody I've followed from Shade to Oriented to Baba Pickup to Money to Ariwoko the music, and now Ire. He has sung like a lot of songs that have been inspiring to all of us. That's prayerful songs about our lives, living in Nigeria, living in Lagos. Ire is already a hit now. Personally, I've had it on repeat all week. Like, it is that strong, and it's a song that speaks to you. It speaks to the person in you. It speaks to you becoming whoever you want to become. That whatever it is you want to do is right in front of you. Just walk and do things you're supposed to do to get you there. I recently watched his TEDx event. I'm going to leave a link to his TEDx event in the description box, and the title of the event was the Butterfly Effect, and he talked about how some of us think we're stuck where we are, but in reality we are not. We're actually moving, even though it's bit by bit. It's not as fast as we want. He talked about the larva stage, pupa stage of a butterfly, and at that pupa stage, the butterfly is inside a cocoon, and it looks as if much is not going on, but a lot is going on. It is growing its arms, it's growing its legs, it's growing its wings. Then when it finally comes out of that stage, it becomes a full-fledged butterfly. You become successful. So whatever stage of life that you are right now, and you feel like things are not working well for you, keep going, work hard, do all the things you have to do, and success will be yours. So let's get right to the DIY.
These are the materials needed for this DIY. I'm also going to leave a list to all the materials in the description box. The first thing you want to do is attach the vintage button to the cap using needle and thread. Needle and thread is neater, but it is really slow. It takes a lot of time, but it makes your work really neat. I decided to switch to glue gun after doing like 2 or 3 bottles because I felt I will never finish. So if you decide to use a glue gun, using a glue gun is faster, but it can be messier, so you have to be really careful. Just apply a drop of glue onto the cap and place the button on it. That is it. Continue doing that all around the cap. This is how it looks after about 20 minutes of using the glue gun. I got about 8 different types of button, and I got like a dozen of those. I got 2 more different types, but I just got like 5 each of those. A drop of glue and you place the button. A drop of glue and you place the button. That is how it works. So I'm just going to speed up this part of the video. And this is the finished work, guys. It looks so beautiful. It might not be as expensive as Adekunle Gold song because I'm sure his was handmade, like hand sewn. This is handmade too, but I'm sure his was hand sewn.
Thank you guys for staying to the end of the video. Hope you like my new look. Like, the look is like I look at Adekunle Goldish. It don't make any sense. So guys, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. It is absolutely free. If you are new here, please subscribe. If you've been here before and you have not subscribed and you came back here again to watch the video, subscribe. And I forgot to mention that this song by Adekunle Gold was inspired by his little sister that died of a heart disease at 2011. Yeah, so rest in perfect peace. And whatever it is you like about Adekunle Gold, please leave comments about it in the comment section. Whether his new song or whatever song you like about it. If you like the dressing sense, me personally, I like the dressing sense. It carries Africa anywhere it goes to. It's at the red top, it's at the red trouser. Anywhere it goes to, his cap, like this one. Anywhere it goes to, practically carries Africa everywhere it goes to, and that is something to be really proud of. And one fun fact about Adekunle Gold is a designer. I'm a designer too. So subscribe to my channel and tag Adekunle Gold in this video too. Whenever I share the video, make sure you tag Adekunle Gold so I will get a lot of shares. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Peace.